Hi, Namaste. Welcome back to our channel. Today I will explain properties of addition and subtraction of integers from the integers chapter. First one is commutative property. In this commutative property, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Values are same but order change. Then a plus b is equal to b plus a. Now prove that both are equal. In associative property, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Left side, right side all are equal, but which we proved that LHS equal to RHS. There is order change, but the answer is will come same. So now prove it. Take the example, a plus b is equal to b plus a. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. Now A as we can write 4, B as 2. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Here B as take 2 and A value is 4. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6 equal to 6. LHS equal to RHS. Now prove that. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 3, C is equal to 4. Now we taken these values. Then here A plus B is equal to B plus A. In the case of subtraction, 2 plus, here B value is take minus 3 is equal to B value minus 3 plus A is 2. Then plus into minus 2 minus 3. A larger number 3, smaller number 2. So opposite symbols are there. Then subtract 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. The largest number symbol is minus. So in the answer is right minus. Here minus 3 plus 2. Here also opposite symbols. Then big number minus small number. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Big number sign is minus. So in the answer is minus. Next one is in the case of commutative property. Sir, commutative property now completed. Now associative property. In the associative property also same A, B, C, these three values are taken and substitute in this A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Now we will check it. A is 4, B plus C, B is 2, C 3, 2 plus 3. In this A is 4, B is 2 and C is 3. 4 plus 2 keep in bracket and 3 as a single. Then here 2 plus 3 5, 4 as it is, 4 plus 5 9. Here 4 plus 2 6, this one 3, 6 plus 3 9. Okay. Next one is A plus B plus C is equal to A minus B plus C. In the case of minus associative property, A as 2 and B value we take minus 3 and C value take plus is A plus B plus C is equal to A minus B plus C. In the case of minus associative property, A as 2 and B value we take minus 3 and C value take plus 4. Then here minus plus into minus minus plus 4 as it is, right. Then here 2 as it is. Here minus symbol, here plus symbol. Minus 3 plus 4. There are two opposite symbols. Then big number minus small number. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. The bigger number sign as plus. So we can write plus 1. Then 2 plus 1 equal to 3. This is the LHS. Now substitute values in the right side. A as 2, B as minus 3, C as 4. Then here plus into minus, minus 2 minus 3 plus 4. Here plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2. Opposite symbols are there. Then whenever opposite symbols we subtract big number minus small number. So 3 minus 2 minus 1 plus 4. Here also opposite symbols. Opposite symbols are there. Now subtract 4 minus 1 big number minus small number is equal to 3. So big number sign is 3. Big number sign is plus. So plus 3 plus 3. Here also prove that. Let's see. Here properties of multiplication of integers. Before, in the case of addition, commutative property and associative property, we proved that LHS equal to RHS. Now here multiplication. In the case of multiplication, A into B is equal to B into A. Order change, but answer is same. Now similar to this to addition in the addition associative property. A into B into C is equal to A into, here also LHS equal to RHS. Now take the examples and prove it. A into B, example, A into B is equal to B into A. We taken values, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 2. A has 3, B has 5. 3 5s are 15. Here B is 5, A is 3, 5 3s are 15. 15 equal to 15. So LHS should be equal to the RHS. Then here also associative property in the multiplication. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Here A value is 3, B value 5, C value 2. So B into C. First solve the bracket. 5 2s are 10. Then here 3. 3 into 10, 30. 3 5s are 15 into 2. 15 2s are 30. Here also LHS equal to RHS. So here also prove that. Again zero concept. Zero concept in the integers. Here any number 0. 0 is any number. Add to any number, that is answer itself. 0 subtract from any number, the answer is itself. The 0 is addition or subtraction, then answer is itself. Now let us go to see. 7 plus 0 is equal to 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. Minus 7 plus 0 is equal to minus 7. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Here all are, here 0 add, here 0 add, here also 0 subtract, then subtract or addition with 0, then answer is itself. The same number will come. Again in the case of multiplication, 0 concept in the multiplication, 0 into 6 is equal to 0. 7 into 0 is equal to 0. The 0 is multiplied with any number, any big number, then the answer is 0 only. Lakh into 0, 0. 1000 into 0, 0. So 0 is multiplied any big number, the answer is 0. Here in the case of division, what is the concept of 0? Any number divided by 0 is equal to infinitive. Any number divided by 0 is equal to infinitive or no solution. What is the meaning of no solution? We cannot solve that. Here 0 by 50 or 0 by anything is equal to 0. 0 by any number is equal to 0. So you identify this difference here, and you have confused. More members of, lot of members are confused here. 50 by 0, 0 by 50. any number divided by 0 infinity, 0 by any number is equal to 0. This is very important, must important. Don't confuse here. Any number divided by 0 infinitive, 0 by any number is equal to 0. Okay, thank you very much.